So she slowly entered the room, and her presence demands my attention. And without flinching, I tell myself, yo, I wanna get to know this woman, down to her very last dimension. She has an aura of radiance surrounding her that just simply takes my breath away. So now I'm standing here breathless as if I've been submerged underwater for an entire day. The beauty she possesses, mere words cannot describe. I don't even know her, but yet I'm having thoughts of her being that strong woman right by my side. The vibe that she is letting off is hitting me like the opposite of soft. It's almost like her natural essence is truly heaven sent. And it became clearly evident that she is like nothing I've ever seen before. A fact that leaves my mind completely torn, because I know for sure that she is unaware of my very existence. While I'm standing here lost up in this instance, loving her from this 12-foot distance, she moves back and forth throughout this room. Her every step is poetry in motion. My every thought is to give her absolute devotion, someday rubbing her down with oils and lotions. I just want to be her friend, eventually making my way up to a man, helping her to understand that there are still good guys in this world today. See, now I'm at the point that I want to approach her, but I'm unsure what words to say. What words do I present? And if I do, how would she know that I'm being sincere, not just another nigga trying to hit? I wonder would she be able to make the distinction between me and them, because they 100% boy, but I'm 100% men. And I realize I'm not the first guy to ever be mesmerized by her beauty, but I am the first guy to want to stimulate her mind instead of worrying about just feeling on her booty. Niggas nowadays be off they duty. Instead of approaching her like gentlemen of chivalry, trying their hardest and giving their best, they step to her disrespectful, being more of an asshole than Kanye West. Expecting less than a queen when they try to impress her with this bling, but I could tell off the back she ain't really into material things. She wants true love and affection, protection from the ills of this life. And I know I could do this for her. I could be a man and treat her just right. But yet, I'm standing here motionless in this room, afraid to speak up, with nothing but good intentions coursing through my body, so y'all would think that would be enough. But see, there is something really, really wrong with me. See, when it comes to approaching a woman, I'm a man of low confidence, and my common sense tells me what consequence will commence. So now I'm convinced of my fear of being rejected. Now this may all stem from my childhood when I was neglected, and I reflected and injected into my adult life. Such a horrible conviction that I struggle with every night. And yes, y'all, I realize there's always a possibility of might. She just might not turn me down. She might be the one to help turn me around. This might be a match made in heaven, get lifted off the ground. She might be the one to show me how love is supposed to be. But see, my scars run too deep, so I won't ever let anybody get that close to me. So tragically, he will always love she will never know he, and they just will never be. I guess you could think of this as a love story that was over before it ever began. As she walks out of the room, never to look back, my insecurities, they prevail over me, yet once again.
Robin's why they call me the Black Robin.
What about
Meta
World
in the house. Come on, man, wait on you.
Better World Peace, man. That's all you can say. May I fight again.